What is up, guys? For the first time in forever, we're going jeeping and the ZJ's coming with us. At this point, it does not run. Something's up with the starter. It'll run for like 20 seconds and then it's shutting off. And so I'm taking it to my buddy's house on the way and seeing if we can figure it out. I think it's fuel pressure. Either I'm getting like 5 psi out of that pump, or my regulator is sending back the rest because I do have a regulator. So I'm hoping that regulator is just bad, or either bad or just incorrectly done because I set it up. So very good chance it is just not right. But right now I'm getting, at least on the gauge, it's showing I'm getting 8 psi. The gauge could be either wrong or I'm actually getting 8 psi, and that is why it's not running. But regardless, we're gonna go. We're going out tonight. Probably hit a couple trails as long as we get on the road in time. But ought to be a good show. Stalled it twice. How do you stall an automatic twice in a row? Come on. Do it again. Give it the beans.
Bump start it. You better just roll it off.
Yeah, please don't wind up like I did. At that elevation, the fuel might be running away.
Just roll her down. Roll her down, you're good. Roll her down, you're good. It's your fuel cell starving. I guarantee you hit the bottom, it's gonna fire right back up. But you're good. It feels sketchy, but you're good. Well, good thing, because you're on the perfect line. Keep her straight. That's the same thing I went down. You're good. You're good, I promise. That's the same line I went down. Just ease her on it. You're good. You got it. Now she'll start. Never mind. Maybe second try. Back up a little bit. That'll work.
Well, I guess I need a cage.
Yeah, for sure. Damn, lost the window. Fuck that door.
Well,
Damn. That was a paint job.
yeah. My slider didn't even help. What was the point of the slider? All right, so that was my first rollover. I mean, honestly, it was fine. But, so was going up Waterfall, blew a power steering line, and was getting pulled off. The wheels locked up one way and dropped off down a big ledge and just slowly tipped over. I was in here and literally just like, it was slow enough, like I walked it out, and by the time it tipped over on the side, I was literally just standing up. So like I cut my hand there by putting my hand up on the ceiling somewhere. I guarantee I cut it on that. That's sharp. But hit my hand on that, and that's it. Like, other than that, I'm 100% fine. Door still shuts. Everything still is fine. Still, we haven't fired it up yet. We're kind of waiting it out. Lost a window, lost the front window. Banged that up pretty good, but these were about to be my trail doors anyway. Hit that real hard. Hit that. I mean, honestly, fared really well for a rollover like that, but just landed on rocks. Didn't dump a lot of oil out. Lost a lot of power steering fluid when that line blew, so we're gonna go fix the line, replace power steering fluid. My brake fluid's good. Coolant all looked good. We're gonna go ahead and top it off on motor oil. There wasn't a lot that leaked out. And then my transmission was also kind of giving some issues. So I think we're gonna top it off on fluid. So I put in on my fuel cell, I have a rollover valve, and that actually did its job. It was like $6 on Amazon, and so I didn't expect it to work, but it did. Oh, that's probably never gonna work again. That got smashed in. But yeah. Also, let me flip this around. Some idiot didn't fully weld the link, and so broke that off the first trip down, right side of Waterfall. So the whole way back, it was going side to side and just rubbed on the tires, but nothing crazy. Got it back to camp, got it welded up, have a welder at the campsite. Oh, I did, I think it kind of burped air out whenever it rolled. So I have a lot lower pressure in that tire than the rest. That was there, that was there. All this stuff's normal. Oh, the tire, when it was, when that link broke, the tire was getting up into this fender. But, I mean, now it's fixed. But overall, that was all there. Overall, I mean, it's performed terrible. I ain't even gonna lie. Been really disappointed with pretty much every aspect, but it's also only firing on 6 cylinders. Both my rear cylinders are dead. I assume it's just spark. I assume I need new spark plug wires for it. It also sat for 1.5 years, doesn't help. Transmission screwed up. It will not engage till about 2200 RPM. No, I don't have a torque. No, I don't have like a different aftermarket torque stall, but that's what it acts like. It just like the idle goes up as I'm giving throttle, and it goes, and then the tires just take off. And so it's hard to control it over like obstacles where I'm trying to slowly crawl and not hop. It does hop a decent amount, even with as long as the links are. My anti-squat numbers aren't perfect. I wanted them to be 100%, but I think I'm closer to like 130 because back here in the back, my links hit my body actually at full bump. But yeah, and I need, realistically, even in that situation, that's right where I rolled. The bottom tires were off, and then the top tire came off that ledge there all the way down, and so it just went real slow, but couldn't save it. I had no steering. Jackson couldn't pull me fast enough to save it. Nothing he could have done, really. I mean, he would have had to yank me down, and then I would have been just at risk of flipping even faster, something getting hurt. So how it went down, I mean, if it had to happen, it had to happen. Whatever. I ain't worried about the doors, obviously. I don't have a single good door on this thing anymore. But yeah, that's how we are. Hit it with your purse. Oh, he's dumping something. Hey, he's dumping something out of the back. Is that fuel? Cooler? Got it. Trying to hold that steady.
Right that motherfucker! Oh, this kid's out here. The parents know what's going to happen out here.
What is that? Robinson. He's getting his primed up.
She is burning a lot of black smoke today. That motor has not been happy with us all this afternoon. Yes. God bless. God, man. Whatever you just did, not that. His big old smile.